Hi everyone, I'm Atamil. Next I'll explain how we, in Blender Smart PBR engine, can transfer to the game engine with one click. The target game engine for transfer here is Unity. First, in your Unity path, set the folder path you want to export to here. Then, you can select in your scene the objects you want to export and export them. Here I choose Sphere 001 for an export demo. Export directly here we can see. There is a prompt here that we have exported the data of Unity's JSON file. Next we jump to the Unity part. The version I use is Unity 6000.3, which is the HDRP pipeline. After Smart PBR engine is installed, it will appear in the top row of our menu bar. We can see Smart PBR engine here. Click it and execute. Next I'll explain to you Unity Smart PBR engine interface. Here in the first row of the interface, it's about taking the just exported JSON path file and making a selection. Next, the path position in the second row is, you can choose whether you want to use your own shader, or the shader developed by our Smart PBR engine to use. What you must pay a little attention to here is, if you are using an HDRP environment today, you must use the shader for the HDRP environment that we wrote ourselves. If it is a URP pipeline, just use the URP pipeline. Another point to pay special attention to is, whether you are using an MIO map today, or single maps that have been separated, which is roughness. In Unity, it's called the smooth map. That is roughness, metal, and DO. These three maps are separated independently, but combined into one map called ORM. There must be a distinction here. Later, we can demonstrate for everyone to see. Next, the third block is whether to import the model into your scene, or not to import. Next is our official exclusive logo. In the logo part, we can see the lower right part will have the corresponding name of our current version. In our upper right corner, there is a small cat icon. It also means you can click it to go to our exclusive official website to browse. If you still don't understand the operation, you can click the question mark button on the lower right. It can guide you to browse our operation manual. Then finally is the export option. Now let's start. How to import the data in. You select the JSON file just exported. Then select our officially developed shader. Click the eye here to open it lest it can't be found. For this texture material now, it currently does not use an OR map. So we need to look for a non-ORM one, which is this one, the basic material map part. We are in HDRP mode. So we choose the shader to use. Then you can import it with one click. The imported object. It will target your Blender coordinate position and your Blender size. I'll restore 1 to 1, it won't change. So you can import with peace of mind on this point. Next we can first check the material maps to see if they are correctly mapped to the corresponding channels. We can see the corresponding ORM map. Metal is mapped in roughness is also mapped. AO is also there, color map is also there. Normal is also there. Next, the height map is also mapped. The above data has been completely transferred. As for the material part, we will explain it in the next chapter, how the shader we developed exactly operates and adjusts. Thanks for watching. Hope you will like our plugin.